Hello Click Designers! In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you where and how you can locate and access all of your YouTube marketing post templates only on your ClickDesigns Marketing Kit. So your ClickDesigns Marketing Kit does depend on the access level that you have on your account. So to start, after you've logged in and you're on your ClickDesigns dashboard, simply hover over your mouse to the template section and click on that. Now, once you've loaded up your ClickDesigns templates, you'll be able to see different categories of different types of graphic templates to choose from. So just click on this arrow button right here on the side until you are able to look for the category that reads marketing. So click on that. And once you click on marketing, you'll immediately see even more categories of different types of social media platforms with their respective marketing templates. So here we have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, Presentation, Fiverr, and Upwork. So for this tutorial, we are going to be looking at the YouTube templates. So just go on ahead and click on that. And once you click on YouTube, it'll immediately show you different types of marketing templates specifically for YouTube that you can choose from. Now, to make things easier for you, on the side of the screen right here, we also have different categories of different types of YouTube posts, as well as their respective dimensions. So to break it down, here we have YouTube overlay ads, which is 728 by 90, the YouTube channel art, which is 2560 by 1440, the YouTube outro, which is 1920 by 1080, the YouTube intro, which is 1920 by 1080, the YouTube display ad, which is 300 by 250, and finally we have the YouTube channel icon or profile, which is 800 by 800. So if you're looking for these specific types of posts, you can simply click on them and it'll provide you with their respective templates. So let's try going to the YouTube overlay ad. So when you click on that, it'll immediately load up different types of templates that you can choose from for an overlay ad. So you can click on View More. It'll show you different colors, designs, and aesthetics to choose from. Next, let's try the YouTube channel art. So clicking on that will also provide you with even more templates specifically for a channel art to make for your YouTube channel. Next, for the YouTube outro, here we also have different designs that you can choose from. The YouTube intro, same thing. So here we have different types of templates for this specific category. Next, let's go to the YouTube display ad. So same thing, different colors, designs, and aesthetics that you can freely choose from. And lastly, the YouTube channel icon or profile picture, which is over here. So this is to make it a lot easier for you to browse through a specific marketing post on YouTube that you want to customize. So that is it. So that is how you can access all of your YouTube post templates here on the ClickDesigns Marketing Kit. So thank you so much, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.